Hey, this is Brett from Okibi. Today we're going to talk about keys for the storehouse. Let's get into it. Alright, so here we're at the door, one of the doors to the earthen storehouse, and they're generally locked with a key. And so one of the first things, or one of the main things that I was looking for as I was starting to sort through all the trash and non-trash, trash and treasures in the house, was to keep an eye out for the keys to the storehouse. Because as you can see here, and maybe I'll show a picture of them later up close in the video, they're pretty plain looking, and you could easily just mistake this for some random old piece of metal and throw it out with other scrap metal. But it's actually a set of keys to the storehouse here. And this other key that I have in my hand is one to a different storehouse. And you can see, I mean, as simple as they are, the only thing you're really changing is the size and the reach of the metal hook, because it's designed to go in this little hole in the door and reach around for a little wooden slot in a piece of wood and lift it up to unlock the door and allow it to slide to the side. Now I can't actually show you opening this particular door because over years and a particularly big earthquake about 15 years ago, the building has shifted and the door is now kind of sandwiched closed, so it won't open from this side. The only way we can get in is from an upper door, which I was also sandwiched, and the only way I could get that door open was to crawl through a rear window, which happened to be unlocked, and then jack up the sunken part of the door and got it to open about, 20-30 centimeters, enough to squeeze in. So keep an eye out for these keys if anyone else out there is going through the similar process that we are here. Alright, let's see if we can open this door. It's probably only going to go a little bit, just wide enough to shimmy through. Yeah, that's about it right now. Just wide enough to slide in. So on this is the inner door up here. The inner door has a lock, and it has this thin slot. This is where the key would come in from the outside, and then you need to have that bend so it's the right length to catch inside this little slot. And then by turning the key, you can lift this piece of wood right here, and it lifts up. Now, if this door was shut and locked, this piece of wood would fall down into a little depression in this base plate here, and that's what locks it and keeps it from sliding. When you're reaching in with the key, you're putting it in this groove here and lifting up, and that pulls this movable wooden piece up out of the little catch in the base, and then that'll allow you to slide the door open and closed. Yeah, so that's how most of these earthen storehouse door locks function. And just as a side note, you can see these really nice inlaid keys here holding the thick wood panels together on this storage room door. There's good, nice wood here for nice old hand-cut, hand-ripped planks here stored in the storehouse. Just all over the place. Nice old bamboo baskets, buckets, wooden boxes, winnowing baskets, tatami, and then as you can see here, due to earthquakes and whatnot, part of the earthen wall has fallen off. So it needs to have a lot of repairs, as well as the fact that it's sort of slanted here, a little bit sunken down into the corners, and that's why the door didn't open at first. The roof structure here has also been redone at some point. You can see there's new materials here on this side, so probably it had been damaged or sunk at one point earlier, and then they fixed it, and then another earthquake came or something, and yeah, knocked it off kilter again. But yeah, this roof structure here also is covered in earth as well, for fire protection and humidity regulation and all sorts of effects. But it definitely needs some major repairs as well as cleaning up. And this is Uki-chan's first exploration of the storehouse also. This is, yeah, where they put new materials here, new beams here in the roof. You can see where it's been, see this little piece coming through the bottom? It's like a skewer coming through the top and pinning all of these beams together right through the center. The husks, rice husks, nice big wooden bucket. This was for winding thread, and there's a hand-powered, hand-cranked machine up on top of this storage area here. This is a nice iron kettle that I'd like to fix up, clean up, and use. Here's one of those hand-cranked things for like winding thread. That's nice, still moves really well. We have to go through and sort through all of this stuff as well. Usable and unusable things. Obviously lots of insects and animals and all sorts of things that have been crawling through here. There's a box full of old wooden geta shoes. Probably never been used. Yeah, various shapes and sizes. All too small for me, I think, but this window. No, I guess it's nailed shut at the moment. I guess I can't open the window quite yet. Blankets and sheets and whatnot. Figured out how it works. So there's a blade, what looks like a blade attached here, and there's a spiked part here, so something gets set in here, and then as you push down on the handle, it chops a piece off. So it is for chopping, chop, 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 chopping something. I don't know, I guess vegetable or something. It's not really strong enough to chop anything else, so yeah, I don't know, chopping vegetable of some kind. So there's a stairway down here to the first floor, but the first floor is a little sketchy. Yeah, the floor is kind of falling apart in some areas, so maybe not the safest to film in right now. The stairway itself, though, was also storage. This one also has more rice husks and stuff left in here. Looks like a mix of rice and soba, and a mouse nest. But each of these stairs has a little storage space underneath the thick wooden board. So this is all storage space here. Each of those boards lifts up one by one, and you can fill the inside of the like snowshoes. Like rice straw made snowshoes, it looks to me. That's cool. Okay, that was a look at the storehouse here, and Uki-chan's all excited about exploring the place, but that's the end of it for us today. Lots of work ahead here as well, but just getting some of the first looks at what's inside.
あ、本当だ。
登るね。ほいSnowy tree climbing.